How do you boost engagement and keep your captions clean? SocialBee's first comment feature lets you add extra details, links, and hashtags without cluttering your post. This feature works with Instagram business and creator profiles, Facebook pages, LinkedIn personal and company pages, and even YouTube channels. This means even more control, better engagement, and a cleaner, more professional-looking feed. So here's how it works. Start by creating your post in the SocialBee post editor just like you normally would. Select the social profiles where you want to publish your post, and then click on Customize for each profile. This step is key because it unlocks the option to add a first comment on the platforms where this is allowed. Once your post is split between each selected platform, scroll down and you'll see the Add First Comment toggle under each text box. You may need to click on the text box for the profile in order to see the toggle first. Enable it from that toggle and then a new text box will appear. Here, you can type in hashtags, call to actions, extra information, or really anything else that complements your post. If you're adding hashtags, you can either pull in from your saved hashtag collections, or you can use SocialBee's generator instead to instantly create contextual hashtags. This way, your post stays focused while your first comment works behind the scenes to increase reach and engagement. When you're happy with your post and first comment, just save it and schedule it as you normally would. SocialBee takes care of the rest, ensuring that your comment is posted automatically alongside your content. Try it out and see how SocialBee helps you optimize every post down to the very first comment. If you're having issues with this feature or have any questions whatsoever, reach out to our team at success@socialbee.com.